This mission, a combination of indicators like Keynton Channel and Stochastic Oscillator with default settings to help me a lot. So be ready, because today I'm having a pretty big group of currency pairs with big percentage of payout. So I'm really excited about it, and let me start. The first point, the first feature will be transparency. OTC trading is often characterized by a high level of confidentiality, as transactions are conducted by directors between market and participants. So this can be positive or negative feature, depending on the needs of investors. The point is on the, I think it's time to make my first trade. Okay, you see that in the last 2 hours, the situation is on the corridor of Keynton Channel. And right now it is trying to change, but I think it will be for the next few minutes. Yeah, so let's have a moment and $50 in my investment box. And I will check the situation with put option. And yes guys, I'm here with my first cool profit, and as you see, where I had almost $100, so really cool. It was a bit risky situation, but nevertheless, I was just in time with my put option. Because as you see, we're looking at the Keynton Channel, and we're seeing that the trend is on the upper line of the corridor. But anyway, looking at the Stochastic Oscillator, there is kind of messy situation with intersection between the signal line and the green line. So I thought that in my next 30 seconds, I will be just in time. So that's what it. Pretty risky situation, and really recommend this kind of trading for beginners. So let's have some fun in the next currency pair with 93% payout. So also really cool, and what I can say, let's see, we're dealing with the downfall of the price, but anyway it's pretty volatile. As you see, the candlesticks are pretty long, and let's see what we're having in our current situation again. So the corridor of Keynton Channel is narrowing, and the candlesticks, as you see, again are at home. So what I can say, let me change my investment box first of all to all in, of course. And I will check the situation with call option. And yes guys, next cool profit, and I'm having my $100 in my pocket already. So as you see, I was just working with signs that was giving me from two indicators, and I was just in time with my 30 seconds time expiration, and I just saw the Stochastic Oscillator was showing me there is a kind of massive intersection between the signal and the green line, and the green line is trying to go up. This because this red candlestick is showing me pretty tough war between bulls and bears. So let's have a moment in the next currency pair. So flexibility. Unlike an exchange where trading takes place according to specific rules and timelines, OTC trading is more flexible and can take place at any time and under any conditions as agreed between the parties.
Guys, many of you have probably already noticed that I made a new YouTube channel. This is not a scam, this is really my channel outside the topic of trading, and there I will show my life more, covering interesting topics related to mindset, making money and lifestyle. So that's why everyone who is interested in this topic of self-development but has not yet signed up, welcome! I'll leave the link in the description, and let's keep going.
So, as you see, we're working with pretty cool group of currency pairs today. Yeah, they provide me pretty flexible situations. So whether or not I would like to work with this situation in the third currency pair, and the fourth currency pair will be ready to work with me. So I'm seeing a really volatile rising of the price right now, and so let's have a moment in our current situation. I will change my investment box to all in again. And what can I say, that let's have some fun here with reds. And yes guys, again I'm a profit, and so really cool, going really fast. And we have pretty beautiful balance, 333. And what I can say right over here, we're working with the rising of the price. But anyway, looking at the whole situation, let me zoom out a little bit. We'll see that we have pretty volatile situation as I mentioned to you before. That's because I was just dealing with the reversed hammer. As you see a red hammer, and looking at the stochastic oscillator, I saw that the green line was trying to go down. And I predicted that 30 seconds will be really good enough for me to make my trade successfully. So let's have some fun in the next currency pair with 82% payout. In general, the topic of OTC trading is quite extensive, and I'm not able to fit all my thoughts in one video. So I will continue my speech in my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description under this video. So see you there. Okay guys, let's talk about risks. So OTC trading usually involves high risks. It's a lack of a seamless exchange transparency, can lead to more complex situation in case of disputes or unforeseen circumstances. But as I mentioned to you before, firstly, it's really easy to predict and see whether some unforeseen circumstances will be. But if we're having predictable pairs, like here, I mean the group of pairs, we will not hesitate to go and work with them also. It's not about stopping in one situation and dealing with it. Sometimes the situation becomes sleepy, and even professional trader doesn't really know what to do with it. So anyway, we're dealing with pretty clear situation on our eyes, rising of the price after some cool bearish movement. So, and let's have some fun in the current situation. The situation is trying to change, and let me see whether it will be cool for us or not. Okay, I will go with all in again with this beautiful sum, and I will check the situation with put option. So guys, I'm here with downfall of the price, and I'm really happy it's happening because it was one of the easiest trades for me on this session. You see, thanks on my combination indicators, Kelton channel was clearly showing that the trend will go up, that it will be a reverse of the price, and also stochastic oscillator after this intersection, showing that the red line is above the green line and they're going down for some time. So let's have some fun in the next currency pair. I want to double my sum, of course, with this cool prestige payout. And let me firstly see the history of this currency pair. Okay, downfall of the price, and let me see what we're doing in our current situation. I'll change my investment box while I'm thinking to $606 all in. And I will check the situation with call option. Okay, my first $1,000 in my pocket already, and I'm really happy about it, and we're just going with the trend. Again, it was a bit risky, but nevertheless, I'm really happy that I tried the situation also, and I kept trading. So, you see that the Kelton channel is showing us that the price at last 5 candlesticks is on the bottom line of the corridor, and it crashed the corridor. Right now it's just under the whole indicator, and also stochastic oscillator is showing me that two lines are making intersection in oversold area. So I think it's a pretty cool situation to make put option. So let's go to the next currency pair and talk about liquidity. Some OTC trading markets may be less liquid than exchanges, which can create problems, closing positions and desired price. But nevertheless, guys, we can easily see that signals. And as you see, today's session is also providing us with really good proofs that OTC currency pairs are really profitable. And if you, of course, can read all of them, read the system and graphics, and also, of course, use cool combination indicators, That helps you a lot. And if you want to know about more, you can go to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description under this video, because there I post a lot of materials about trading for often profitable trades. So, and right now we're dealing with the bearish movements right over here, pretty volatile. And I can say that candlesticks are having pretty long wicks. It is a bit concerning for me. Nevertheless, I want to try myself because we're having $1,000 and I have decided to double it. So $1,130 in my investment box. And I will check the situation with corruption. $2,000 in my pocket, and thanks to my combination of indicators, of course, you see the Keton channel corridor started to narrow, especially looking at the bottom line of the corridor, and the red line started to go up, and that's because we're dealing with these two green candlesticks. And also looking at the stochastic oscillator, we're seeing that after some chilling in oversold area, the green line is making an intersection between the red one. So let's go up, really cool signals to go with call option right over here in the next 30 seconds. And let's have some fun with the next currency pair. It's the last, but I hope not the least. And I will highlight the next point, types of instruments. OTC trading can include a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, currencies, derivatives, crypto, and etc. And you see that we're having a lot of them. And there is a really big list of currencies, especially on Quotex. So really thankful for that. Let's see our history. Okay. It's pretty volatile. Nevertheless, I want to try myself because I'm here with 93% of payout. That's because I will check the situation with new investment $2,100. Okay, and I will check the situation with call option. So guys, $4,000 in my pocket. So really happy about it, and thanks to my signals again, we're working with the rise of the price in the last 4 candlesticks. The bottom line of Keton channel of Keton corridor is also rapidly trying to go up. The trend of the 3 last candlestick is laying on the upper line of Keton channel corridor, and after this intersection in the corridor, the stochastic oscillator, the green line is showing us that it's going rapidly up. So really cool signals to make a trade right over here. So let's see what I will have in the first currency pair with really cool percentage payout also. What I can say, I remember this kind of situation. I hope that you remember it also. That's because I will have some fun right over here with $3,000 again. So $3,000, and I will check the situation